Hello guys, you can see, I'm a cat. Gotta watch, like every cat does, literature. Dump 10 books off the shelves and onto the floor. So yeah, I've explored this game a little bit, and it's pretty fun. Flip. You know what? You got a pan? I got a pan. Get back here. You don't escape the cat's wrath. I got her. Strangler. Not sure that's all. Anyways, mouse. Come on. What? She hit me? Did she hit me with a frying pan? Aw, man, I got hit by a frying pan. Bro, I'm just trying to play around. Break me on. Aw, frick. I knocked her down again. Ooh, this computer. Oh, yeah, I've checked this computer out. I don't know where the, I don't know what the password is. If you guys happen to know what the password is, I guess type it in the comments. Like, Lord, I don't know what it is. I want to play some Minecraft. Okay, cat. Why are you guys not running? No! Did I get it? No. Stop. No. Whack-a-mole. Bro, what? I'm concentrating. Yes, I got 30. Was that more? Yes. Yes, I got 30. Let's go. No, Grandma, because I got 30. I got 30. I'm gonna throw this at you. Let me up. Grandma, I'll put myself in the microwave. I'll put myself in the microwave. Grandma, don't kill me. Go over here, go over here. Help me. I'm scared. Don't kill me, please. Grandma, don't kill me. Grandma! Grandma, don't kill me. No, you want to watch TV? Bet. This is some quality TV here, Grandma. This is some quality TV. Money. Money. Dummy. The frick? Grandma, your house is haunted. Grandma! Grandma, I believe your house is haunted. Maybe it's the piggy. 0426. Okay. Money! Okay, go to bed. Oh yeah, that's what I did. Dang it, I forgot it. Zero 0426, is that it? Is that 0426? Yeah. Grandma, don't kill me, please. I'm just trying to play on the computer. Trying to play Minecraft. Please don't kill me. Friends. Grandma has friends. Friends. Oh, I have friends. Yo, I got my friends. This is this game's called I'm a Cat. It's in its early release. So if you want it, it's $15 and it's in its alpha. No, I don't want that. I want the cooking recipes. Zero 0426. I'm gonna try it. Dang it. Dang it. What's the cooking recipe? Wait, maybe I can find it in the kitchen. Golden claws. Grandma! I'm just kidding. Oh, flip. Grandma, I didn't mean it. I didn't mean it, Grandma. Grandma, I didn't mean it. I didn't mean it, Grandma. Grandma, I didn't mean it. Grab the plate. Grab the freaking plate. I didn't mean it, Grandma. Didn't mean it. Do that, Grandma. You cursing me? No cursing the kitty cat. Oh, frick. Don't kill me, don't kill me, don't kill me. Grandma, don't kill me, please. Oh, no! She killed me! I can't believe it. Grandma killed me. And I was being such a good cat. It's not like I was destroying like half of the stuff in the house. Let me out. Let me out. Let me out. It's not like I was destroying half of the stuff in the house or anything. Get the frying pan. Master cook. Master cook. Master cook. Not like I know what I'm doing. Master cook. Let him cook. Let him cook. Let him cook more. Let him cook more like let the cat cook. Let the cat cook. Let him cook. Let him cook. Oh, tomatoes suck. Where's the good stuff? Crunchies. Crunchy! Is that a fish tank? Oh, heck yeah, I know what I'm about to do. Guys, I'm totally not about to lure the fish up here, grab one and eat him. It's not like that's what I'm about to do. They're gonna die anyway because I'm feeding them to them. Grab him! Grab him! Grab it! Grab the fish! Grab it. No, don't leave! Please! I don't have any friends! Come on, goldfish. Grab him! Grab him! Grab the fish! Dang it! I didn't get the fish. And I guess I have to eat freaking vegetables. No, that landed perfectly though. Master cook, master cook. I definitely would know what I'm doing. I'm pretty sure. I took some gold. Alright. Throw it in there. Throw the potato. Master cook, master cook. Master freaking cook, master cook. We need some cucumbers in there, my guy. I got! Let me out! No, my knife. I wanted that. Give me. My knife! I'm stuck! Let me out! Yeah. some reason, cats get scared of cucumbers. Some cats, they just go bizarre if they see a cucumber. Yummy, yummy. Absolutely delicious. Delish. It's absolutely delish. My guys, we're gonna be cooking with the cat today. I let it have access to a knife. Wait. Oh crap. Food. Food. Pickles! Pickle! Pickle Rick! Pickle Rick! Scrumptious. Scrumptious. Absolutely scrumptious. Scrumptious. Disgusting. I mean, yummy. Let me have food. Food. Parkour, parkour. Dang it. Parkour! Yummy. Oh yeah. Oh, this is the good stuff. Oh, yummies. Oh, my yummies. Scrumptious. Grab it! Grab it! Grab it! Give me my food! I want it. Down. Grandma, help! I'm dying. She wouldn't do that, right? She wouldn't do that. She's an ice cream mom. Queso would hate what I'm making right now. Got some tomatoes. I gotta go find it. I gotta go finish my cat food. Not like I just emptied an entire batch right there. Five-second rule. 5-second rule. I want cold water. I'm a cold water person. I love cold water. Some people might not like it, but I like it. I love cold water. Bro, I'm spilling all my water. Take the food bowl. Throw it up there. Let me out. Don't fall in there, bro. Got some absolutely delish tomatoes. Gotta cook them. Let them cook, let them cook. I mean, let the cat cook. I don't think you're supposed to cook tomatoes. I know I'm supposed to put that in that bowl. What the flip? What the flip? Guess I'm gonna use a crock pot. No, I'm just gonna use a small pan. Now. I'm gonna get some carrots. I love me some carrots. Who doesn't like carrots? Carrots are amazing. They help your eyesight. Pretty sure. Do I want steamed carrots or do I want regular carrots? Yeah. This is where I have to hold them. Got some carrots in here. Nice. Bro, this is taking like 4 years. Yummy. Put some in the pan. Grab it. Grab one. Put it in. Grab one. Put it in there. Grab one. Put it in there. I'm gonna cook my cat food. I don't know. I'm pretty sure you're not supposed to do that. I'm a cat. What the flip? No, my food! I gotta go grab one. I'll go upstairs after this. It's probably gonna be a long video. Got it crispy. Grandma, I love how the grandma's just walking around, just sees her cat making food, and she's like, "Aw, my cat's making food for herself." What a cultured gentleman. Gentleman. Dang it. I always say that. Wow, that actually worked. I'm just gonna scoot you over. 5 second rule, 5 second rule, 5 second rule, 5 second rule, 5 second. No, pick up. I'm just gonna scoot it over here. This took so freaking long. And all the work I've put into this, really none. It's gone in like 4 seconds. Flip the water. Fish tank. stuff. Basketball goal. Robot! Stupid robot. You're a dumb robot. Happy. You follow me? You do follow me. I am its leader. Oh, he got stuck on a wall. Red! I found a red thing. I'm gonna tear the painting up. Is that a thumb drive? Is that a thumb drive? I'm about to unlock so many stuff on this lady's computer. Get those pillows out of here. I'm a cat that knows how to use a computer. And social media on it. And the granny's probably just like, oh, this is normal for a cat. He's got an entire social media platform. Good for him. The grandma in this game is just allowing me to come over to this computer right here and shove a thumb drive in it. Prawn? Is that what it says? Prawn. What the fuck? Why do you look like you want to kill me? Gotta climb. Considering I'm a cat. Oh, flip. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. You know what? You try to hit me with a pen, I'm gonna knock your stuff over. Grandma, that's what you get for trying to hit me with the pen. Oh! Oh no, I forgot that happened. Can I break out of this house? Let me out. Let me out. I'm about to die. I'm about to die. Oh, flip! Oh, flip! God dang it. Man. I died again. It's like the third time. Well, second time since I started recording. Sleep, 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 sleep. Oh my gosh. Please reset, Grandma. Please reset, Grandma. You mean stand by. We'll start with a few simple tasks. Climb to the top shelf of the refrigerator. I bet. What the flip? Yo, is there fish in here? No, was there fish in here? Oh my gosh, there were 2 turkey legs the entire time. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Dude, oh my god, I fell. Oh my god, I'm so Come on. Is my arm long enough? Oh. this what it's like for everybody? Oh, no, 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 no. Yeah. Let me up there. Let me up there. Let me up. No. Easy. Oh. No, no, no! Yay! Did it just say balloons or balls? Oh my gosh. Well, I'm not gonna go beat that entire cat course when I could just come over here, jump over here, pop a balloon. Yo! Get it! No! No! What the flip? Pretty sure I jumped. Dying. I'm dying. Yeah. Please don't kill me, Granny. Haha, you can't get me. I think there's a room over there. I'm gonna go see about the ones upstairs. There's one all the way up there. Whoa, better get climbing. No! I completely missed. How am I supposed to? Let's go. Come on, man. Let me up there. I thought I heard like a giant walking or something. Yes! How many? 5 of 8, there's 3 more? Oh, flip. Oh, how are there 3 more? I've already gone through like 15. Oh, I see. Oh, okay. There's one in the kitchen. And then there's this one right here. Let me up. Let me up. What is stopping me? What invisible force? Got it. Yo, can I glide? No, no! Come on, come on. Okay. I am gonna make a part 2 to playing this game. And hopefully we can beat the game. So, yeah. I'm gonna fall asleep. The game's totally fine. And I'm probably just gonna end the video here and make a part 2 to this. Yeah. Here are the quests that we have to beat. And we gotta complete all those, break out. Okay, well, I'm guessing. But yeah. Bye guys.